Through the Years at the Farm, Part 3. We're taking it way back to 1990 something. These seem like amazing times at the farm. As my husband's grandparents got older, the holiday traditions changed over time, but what a blessing it is that this family has these memories and that they have them saved on these home movies. I don't believe that my family has any home movies like these, but I am so glad that they have these at the farm. Though Grandmother and Pawpaw are no longer with us, their spirit lives on in our hearts and in these memories and traditions. These memories remind us of all the love that filled this farmhouse and the traditions that bind us. As we work to save the farm, we hope to create many more memories like these. Your continued support and engagement means the world to our goals. But if you feel inclined to help in other ways, there's a bold text in my profile that will lead you to a way to do so. I hope you enjoy some of these home movie clips. Thank you all for being here. Stick around for a few more clips with the sound on.